Do you want to get paid instantly in PayPal Cash? I will show you free app to get paid instant PayPal Cash really fast and easily. There is literally no other way to make money online faster than this method. Just watch the video all the way through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. So, you've been looking for a way to make money online? You're in the right place. I'll show you a free app that can help you get paid instant PayPal Cash. The app is called OneQ, and it's free to download and offers instant cash. OneQ is a survey app that connects top brands to consumers who want to be rewarded for their candid feedback. OneQ is the only company in the world to pay consumers up to 25 cents instantly per question, directly to your PayPal account. To put it simply, every time you answer a question on this app, you get paid. Earning money with this app is that easy. When you open the app, you'll see all the questions. Each question pays 25 cents. It's not much, but answering a question takes just a few seconds, so you can answer many questions in just a few minutes and earn a decent amount. You may also get questions by SMS. That's just if you allow the app to text you questions. Note that OneQ will never send you an email with questions to respond to, so you have to activate the app's push notifications. You'll get paid quickly through PayPal for answering a question. Unlike other survey apps, you don't have to wait to withdraw your money. You'll get paid within minutes after answering one question. Want to earn more? Refer your friends and family and receive 25 cents per referral. No earning limits or caps for payout. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.